Here we go.
County in southeastern
Flash flood warning!
West Central Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, northern Bristol County in Rhode Island, northeastern Kent County in Rhode Island, southeastern Providence County in Rhode Island, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:54 p.m., reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 4 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Providence, Warwick, Cranston, Pawtucket, Taunton, East Providence, Cumberland, North Providence, West Warwick, Johnson, North Attleboro, Bridgewater, Attleboro, Mansfield, Middleborough, Easton, Smithfield, Lincoln, Central Falls, and Norton. Flood warning has been replaced with a flash flood warning.
Oh my god. My first flash flood warning for today.